Alright, on this one I'm heading to the lake with my son and niece. I have the 32 at the console and the 34 at the bow. I've been trying to show them how to make the fish bite and watching them, but it's not that easy. Dang, that's the first fish of the night. Here's a big old white bass.
First fish.
This is a white bass too. Oh, you hooked him good right in the top of his mouth.
It's perfect. He was following you.
Oh, I know, you saw how he follows?
Yeah.
Man, this guy's hooked good. Keeper.
That's a keeper?
Mm-hmm.
How do you go down like a little bit?
I'm gonna show you.
He could barely swim.
Yeah, he's knocked out right now.
Dang, there is a lot of fish.
Yeah, they just keep swimming in too. Like,
I think I caught one, Dad. Yep, I did. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
got him?
Yep. Yep. Oh, what is that?
It's another keeper.
I got it.
Where's my bait, Uncle? Oh, I see.
How you guys do that?
Yeah, gotta stay in. Yep, you're exactly where the beam should be. Remember, you don't gotta be right by it. Where are you?
Right
Oh, you gotta let it down.
Huh?
Okay. Look,
Yeah.
watch it go down. Just go down far.
Okay.
More. Stop. Sometimes you barely have to move it to get his attention. Oh, you missed him. Okay, stay there. Reel it up. Oh, got him.
Cut it.
Oh, he bit it, but he let go. Did you put this minnow on by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good one. Let me see if he's still alive. No, but he got killed.
Oh, poor minnow.
Let me take him.
Take him, put it under his lips.
Yep, but do it from the bottom. Look. Turn my light on.
Ooh.
Do it from the bottom, right about here. Oh, you can get a little bit of him, but that ain't gonna kill him.
Okay, got it.
All right, and you remember how to go up, down, right?
Yeah, up, down.
That's all you have to do. Remember the sensor is right here.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, we got a lot of minnows.
Oh, I caught one. I got a big one. Uncle.
Get it.
I got it.
Get it.
Oh, I got one. Look.
I know you did.
It was small. I think I caught one. That was fast. Whoa.
Oh, I caught one. Step together. You took my minnow.
All right.
Yep. Now we'll be a fisherman.
Little crappie. Got a crappie here.
That's a crappie?
Yeah. Way too small though, but
Mine says
white bass. I had to cast to this one. He bit it. Yank it.
Holy crap, I got one. Wow. Okay, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, it's a crappie.
Dang, you hooked him good. Right in the lip, top lip like that, you know?
Yeah.
That's like you really want to hook him right. You had him right there.
I caught one.
Right. Yeah. She did.
Holy moly, that's huge.
Is that a crappie? What is that? Let me see.
He ate my minnow.
Why do I think they're all 9 inches? Which way are all those? Well, anyways, you're gonna catch some of these.
I know, because look, mine's
They're
right
swimming
there.
over here right now. Oh yeah, you got them twisted up. Keep catching these 9s. We're gonna have to move.
He unswallowed it, yeah.
All right.
I didn't even see it. I didn't even see me catch it.
See if your minnow's still alive.
On the thing.
Yeah, you don't have to use the... You just gotta know like where the fish are around, you know? Got a keeper. Oh man, he was big. Oh, I thought he was barely hooked.
In front of a what?
Alright, these are actually good sized ones. Yeah, they're all keepers. Yeah, this one's actually pretty good, huh? Yeah, so when you feel that thump, you gotta give it a little yank. It's actually all the bigger ones are out here.
Caught one.
You did. Let me see it.
Uncle, I got one.
A crappie.
Another crappie.
Stick your thumb in there real hard. Tight. And just squeeze his lip. He can't do anything when you hold him like that, see? He can't do anything.
I got a crappie.
Let's see if he's big enough. Nope, he's not 10. He's 9 7/8. Go catch another one. These all look pretty good size. And they're hungry. It's a good thing.
As long as we caught some.
We're gonna let the white bass go too.
It was a catfish.
I'm gonna keep the catfish, but I'm probably gonna get rid of all the white bass before they start dying.
One more time.
Bye-bye.
We're just gonna go for crappies, okay?
Yeah.
I was worried about throwing that white bass back. that whole school when we floated out there was all white bass. They were following the boat. But all the crappies are still in here. Yeah, these are about, this one might be, this one's bigger. We still haven't even switched the minnows yet. He's 12. Hmm? Yeah, I like catching river out there.
I got one.
I know, I see. Alright.
Now they're coming.
Jimmy, even if you want, you can just leave it in here. Just don't watch the last one.
Thanks.
Oh wow, they got smaller. They just keep moving.
There we go.
Here, dump those suckers back there. Just dump that whole bucket in there and bring it back. Man, I hope I bring them. Oh, y'all lucky. Get those together. I got more.
Look, that's like a whole school bus of them. Hi guys, say hi to Clementine. If she sees this video, she knows she's gonna smile.
Yeah.
Clementine.
Alright, these are all white bass out here. Oh, that's a good one.
guys, this is my first time being on YouTube, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. And make sure to subscribe to my uncle, of course. Because he's a good fisher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He never gives up on anything.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. It's half white bass and half crappies. Man, I'm setting the hook way too good.
I get a feeling you're getting too much into it.
The bad weather. Sweet.
I just need to know, are y'all guys fished out? Are they heavy?
A little bit.
I might as well too.
Well, guess we're catching shad.
Those are decent sized ones too.